Come on. Who is going to start, huh? ये ना तीन शरारती बच्चे हैं. Okay. All right, let's make a start. Do you like animals?
I don't like animals.
Yeah, very good. Because I'm afraid of them. Some animals are dangerous. Just speak.
I don't like animals because I get afraid from them. But still, I'm studying in the veterinary university. Um, I often come across dogs, cats. Most of the time, they are infected. So I want to make some distance from animals.
Okay, what is your favorite animal and why?
As I said, I don't like animals, so
You don't have any favorite?
I don't have any favorite animal.
Okay, why do some people like animals?
Mm, some people don't like animals.
Why do some people
I'm getting
like
nervous.
animals? Don't worry, don't worry. Just answer.
Some people don't like animals because they don't like the
You're changing my
the mess they
question.
create.
You're changing my question. My question
Is
is why do some people like
like.
animals?
Okay,
And
okay,
you said people don't like
okay, okay,
animals.
okay.
Yeah.
My mistake.
Mm-hmm.
Some people like animals because the animals some animals are so loyal and they give love to them and attention. That's all I have to
Okay, all
speak.
right, let's go on. Do you like birds?
Yes, I like birds, like parrot. There are many colors. So parrots are in many colors. Um, they are some birds talk to the humans, and
Okay.
I like that potential of
Yeah,
parrots.
yesterday I was called.
This is
Yeah.
the reason I like.
All right, so you should practice all these topics so that
Okay.
you become fluent. Number two, hide your emotions, as we learned in IELTS
I'm
today,
trying.
right? Look calm. So you should hide your negative feelings and all that. It's gonna be fine, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Next one, please. Okay, what is your favorite mobile application and why?
Instagram is the social app that I used to use more oftenly. So that's the app I. There are a lot of information and newses so that I can know the affairs around me.
Hmm?
So
Okay. Do you use social media apps like Instagram, Facebook?
yes, I do use social apps like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok,
Mm-hmm.
and WhatsApp.
Okay. All right. So let's just go on. Do you think children should use mobile applications?
Yeah, I do think children should use mobile application, but with some age restriction. I think so, and that's very mandatory because children nowadays are very into mobile phones and new technology, and there should be a very check and balance from parents, so they don't go beyond the boundaries. So
Okay. Would you like to make an application in the future?
make an application. Oh no, I don't think so. I would like to make an application because I have no interest in IT or some sort of stuff like that. I have no interest. I just like to use these sort of apps. So I don't think so that I would be able to do that.
Okay. The first thing is your answers are short. So you need to speak at least 5 to 6 sentences. The second thing is your answers are not organized. So try to organize your answer. When I say organize your answer, step one, direct answer. Step two, elaborate your answer. Step three, conclude your answer. Focus on these things. Your English is good, but you need to pay attention to the question and answer accordingly, right? That's good. Thank you. All right. How many hours do you sleep every night?
I do sleep every night for 8 hours every night, as researchers tells us about that. 8 hours sleep is very good for the health. Okay.
All right, thank you so much. Is it necessary to take a nap during the day?
No, is it not necessary? But if you feel any kind of tiredness, then you should take the nap.
Okay, this answer is short and there's no proper conclusion, right? Why do some old people sleep a lot?
Because they have no any activities to do, then so they they like to sleep more, and and they have some kind of health issues, and so they sleep more.
Okay, when do you usually go to bed?
I go to bed around 11 at night, because at 11 I almost finish my activities, all kind of activities like study or reading or any kind of eating or walk, anything.
Okay,
So
so overall it's fine, but you need to focus all these topics because if the topic is new, you have some hesitation to answer as you
yes,
are not known to these
yes.
topics. So go through the topics, make yourself familiar, it's gonna be okay,
Okay.
right? Good job. Let's go on. All right, just try. Don't worry, Baji, you're gonna be fine. Yeah, let's make a start. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is red.
Why?
It is brilliant.
Okay. All right. Why do you want to go to a foreign country?
I want to go to foreign country for my future, for my better future and for the future of my children.
Okay. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is meat, like fish, mutton. This is
Okay.
good. That is good for health.
All right. What do you do in your free time?
I play with my children, and after this, I take care of my children and do household activities.
Okay. What is your favorite day of the week?
Sunday,
Why?
because my husband uh, stay at home.
Stays home on Sunday.
Yes.
All right. Okay. Thank you so much.